Do you want to get rid of a double chin and define and sculpt your jawline? You're in the right place. I am Lena Hansen, holistic beauty expert, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you 5 face yoga techniques that are going to lift and tone your jawline and making you feel happy and refreshed and glowy. So let's get started. So we're going to get started by applying a little bit of face oil to the lower part of our face. I always like to apply a bit of face oil here just to kind of release any tension and warming up the muscles. And you want to make sure that you are massaging all the way down from the jaw area, all the way down the neck and to the chest area here. Releasing any tension. And we're going to start by doing a bit of a neck stretch here as well. So we're going to tilt our head to the right, then tilt our head to the left, and go back and forth this way a couple times. We tend to hold so much tension and stress in our neck and shoulder area, so this is a really great way to warm up the muscles and release tension before we start with our exercises. Now we are going to start tapping our lower face with our fingertips. So this is a really great way to increase blood circulation in the face, to kind of wake up our skin a little bit here before we start our exercises. And you can also feel here where you have a lot of tension. So pay attention to where the tension is in your lower face and if it's in the neck area. This is just going to wake up the skin and create more blood flow. So we're going to get started with a tongue twister move here. So you want to trace your tongue slowly around the inside of your lips. We're going to go 3 times here in one direction. And we want to do it as slowly as possible here and keep the tongue as close to the lip line as possible. So this exercise is really wonderful for fine lines around the mouth and nasolabial folds, but it's also great for firming the muscle here, which can also contribute to sagging jawline and double chin. So we're really working the whole lower part of the face. So we're going to go in the other direction here. Slowly tracing. Your tongue will feel a little achy here, but that just shows that the exercise is doing its job. Wonderful. Smooth out this area a little bit if you like. Next, we are going to do an exercise called the Jowl Busters. So we want to keep chin parallel to the floor. Place the tops of your fingers on one hand under the chin. Then you want to rest your elbow of the same arm on the palm of your hand. And then you want to push the chin into the tops of your fingers and the tops of your fingers into the chin. So you're really creating resistance here. We're going to hold here for a few deep breaths. We're going to go back and do this exercise again. So again, place it here, the elbow on your palm, and then press into the fingers, creating resistance. This is great for double chin, firming the jowls, or any loose skin underneath the chin here. It's going to boost collagen and elastin to plump and firm this area. Wonderful. I'm going to do this again. Go back in, pressing that jaw into the fingers and hold here. You can really feel the chin area working here. It's such a great exercise. Great work. Next, we are going to tap with our fingers underneath the jaw and underneath the chin area here. Lightly tapping the lower chin here. I'm going to do this for about 30 seconds or so. This is also great for turkey neck and double chin and boosting collagen. Wonderful. So next we are going into stretching the neck area here. You want to put the tongue at the roof of your mouth here. And you want to do at a 1 beat per second. You want to keep going up and down from the roof of your mouth down and up again. And then stretching your neck area from one side to the other while doing this beat here at 1 per second here, just going up and down with the tongue. So there really is the tongue that's doing most of the job here, going up from the roof of the mouth and down, up and down, and then stretching the neck area here, going from one side to the other. This is also great for any double chin, firming the neck and jaw and chin area here as well. Great. Wonderful. So now I'm going to apply a little bit more face oil here because we're going to end this routine by just doing some quick little massage techniques here to release any tension. So I massage here and start massaging all the way from the chin area here, all the way out to the ears and moving all the way down our neck area here. And then I'm going to take my fingers and start gently moving all underneath the chin here with my knuckles, making sure you have face oil here so you're really gliding on the skin and you're going deep into the tissue. You're not just on the skin. And so we're taking my knuckles here again and moving all the way from the chin area, all the way out the jaw to the ears. Again, moving into the muscle and the fascia. So we're not just working on the skin area here. This is going to release tension. Wonderful. And then slide your fingers down the neck area here. Stretch a little bit again. Do a little bit of a neck stretch, releasing any tension. Wonderful. There you have it. Just 5 minutes a day of doing these targeted exercises can make a huge difference in terms of defining, sculpting, and toning the jawline, the neck area, and reducing double chin. But remember, consistency is key. So doing this every day if you can, or even just a few times a week is going to make the biggest difference. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in next class.